Palladium is one of the rarest and most valuable metals on Earth, found only in a few extreme locations. Unlike gold, palladium is never found alone. It is mined as part of complex platinum group metal ores. In some regions, palladium is extracted from deep underground mines stretching kilometers below the surface. Once extracted, palladium-bearing ore is transported to specialized processing facilities for separation and refinement. The first step is crushing and milling, breaking solid rock into fine particles to release valuable metals. Using flotation technology, palladium is separated from unwanted material by exploiting chemical and physical differences. This process concentrates palladium-rich material, preparing it for further chemical refinement. High temperatures remove sulfur and other impurities, increasing the metal concentration. Advanced chemical refining separates palladium from other platinum group metals. At this stage, palladium is isolated at the molecular level. Through controlled reactions, palladium is recovered as a solid material once again. The recovered palladium is dried and prepared for melting. The metal is now ready for smelting, transforming powder into solid metal. Palladium melts at over 1,550 degrees Celsius, demanding extreme industrial precision. This is the moment raw chemistry becomes physical wealth. As the metal cools, solid palladium bars take shape. To meet global standards, palladium undergoes additional purification. Each bar is measured with extreme accuracy. Every palladium bar is permanently marked for traceability. Polishing gives palladium its signature industrial brilliance. No bar leaves without passing strict quality control. Once approved, palladium is securely packaged. Stored inside high-security vaults, palladium awaits global distribution. Palladium powers modern industries, from electronics to catalytic converters. This is how one of the world's rarest metals is made.